Are you struggling with allergy symptoms or hay fever? Symptoms such as sneezing, watery eyes, coughing, runny nose, all those aggravating symptoms. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover the #1 dietary supplement to use to relieve your allergies. I'm Dr. Mark Stengler, and I've been practicing functional naturopathic medicine for over 30 years. And I've treated many patients with allergies, both hay fever and people that have environmental allergies throughout the whole year. And people often ask me, what is the best supplement? Well, I have found in terms of treating thousands of patients, as well as the published research, the #1 supplement is quercetin. Now, quercetin is a unique natural agent in that you find it in foods, you find it in grapes, you find it in things like wine, you find it in onions, apples, other food sources in very small amounts. But here's the problem with quercetin when you take it as a supplement. Quercetin has very poor absorption. So sometimes when people take quercetin supplements for allergies, they don't notice great benefits. However, if you give a patient the right dose at the right concentration, you see extraordinary benefits, and that's what I see with patients. And so we use a form of quercetin used in published studies called quercetin phytosome, and different brands carry it, as do we. And the unique thing about quercetin phytosome, you get up to 20 times the blood level than you would get with regular quercetin. So when you have good amounts of quercetin, then it acts as a natural antihistamine. It basically works on the mast cells, which release histamine and give you the allergy type symptoms. It has other effects too in regulating the immune system, having a balancing effect. But in essence, when you use the right dose of quercetin, for example, in one published study for people who had hay fever, just 200 milligrams a day of quercetin phytosome was effective in reducing symptoms. Other studies used higher amounts. So I typically with patients will use 250 milligrams a day, 500 milligrams a day, and in some cases a little bit higher. The nice thing with quercetin is very non-toxic. And so if you have allergy symptoms, hay fever, quercetin is a great choice. And you want to take it throughout the day, at least twice a day, to maintain a good blood level using that quercetin phytosome. Now, for some patients, for even an additional benefit for allergies, I'll use other things in a formula such as nettle leaf, bromelain, eye bright for the eye symptoms, and acetylcysteine, which helps with the thinning the mucus secretions. These natural supplements work very well, and so I advise you take them at the onset of your allergy season, or if you have them throughout the year, you can use these things in a non-toxic and in long-term way as well. Well, I hope you found that is helpful, and if you want more information on allergies or nutritional approaches to health, go to my website at markstengler.com.